Hi, I'm Corey with another NASA fact. What is nanotechnology?
Nano what-ology?
Nanotechnology. NASA is studying how to make things the size of atoms.
Wow, how small is that?
Nano is the prefix for 1 billion. 100 nanometers is still 1,000 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair.
Why would we need things that small?
The smaller the computer parts, the better they work. We could then make little nano robots that could be programmed to fix things we can't easily see or reach. Some scientists think they could even help repair the ozone layer.
Can nanotechnology shrink people?
No, but someday we might be able to send nano robots inside a person to search out and destroy bad cells like cancer. To find out more about nanotechnology, check out our website. Until next time, I'm Corey with another cool NASA fact.